I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta Alfredo. First, let's talk ingredients. For an authentic and delicious Alfredo, quality matters. You'll need fresh, high-quality Parmesan cheese, not the pre-shredded kind. Also, grab some good heavy cream and unsalted butter. Choose your favorite pasta like fettuccine and have salt and black pepper ready. These simple components are key to a rich, creamy sauce. Now let's prepare the pasta. Fill a large pot with water and add a generous amount of salt. It should taste like the sea. Bring it to a rolling boil, then add your pasta. Cook it until it's al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite, not mushy. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid is your secret weapon for a silky sauce. Next, we'll create the luscious Alfredo sauce. In a wide pan, melt a good amount of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Pour in the heavy cream and let it gently warm through, bringing it to a light simmer. Now, slowly whisk in your freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Keep stirring until it melts into a smooth, creamy consistency. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your hot, drained pasta directly into the pan with the Alfredo sauce. Toss everything gently to coat the pasta evenly. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little of that reserved pasta water, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, until it reaches your desired creaminess. Garnish with fresh parsley or extra Parmesan and serve immediately for the ultimate experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.